In this video, I want to show you how TubeBuddy helps really grow my YouTube channel by providing me with some great tag tools. So my name is Tom Fragale. I've been on YouTube for a while, and you can see I have close to 10,000 subscribers. So this is the ad revenue I've made with my YouTube channel over the lifetime of the channel, which is not bad. And so you see I have some decent views and some decent watch time. I attribute much of my success on YouTube to a great tool that's called TubeBuddy. So I like to show you how I can use TubeBuddy to get some great tags for my videos. I'm going to go ahead and pick on content here. And I'm going to go ahead and pick on this video to really enhance it. So I'm going to go ahead and edit this video. All right. So first of all, I'm going to say on the title, I'll say PowerPoint Basics, learning how to use PowerPoint. All right. So I have a good title now. I'm going to copy that title and put it in the description as well. All right. So now I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to go ahead and then I'm looking for the tags. Okay, good. So here we have the tag tools. So first of all, I'm going to paste in my description. I like to have the description into the tag tools as well. But notice, because of TubeBuddy, it's giving me a lot of recommended tags. So I'm going to start, if I just click on some of these, it's going to add it right in to my video. So these are tags that people have used with good success on this topic. So I'm just adding them right in. All right, so it makes it very easy. Now, with the tags, you're limited up to 500 characters. So it's keeping track of those that I've added in. So I'm just going to keep on adding some in. Right now it says relevance. And if I move my mouse to the question mark, it says tags will be sorted based on how they are relevant to the search. Okay. So then I'm going to pick on keyword score, see if any of these are actually ranking. Now, because of the keyword score, some of these that have a number next to them mean I can really rank for some of those topics. So I already have PowerPoint for beginners. So let me get, let's see. How about presentation skills for beginners? And I just add that to my tags, as you can see. So I'm looking at the tags and let's see. I'd like to get PowerPoint presentation in there. There was another one that I can rank pretty well for, PowerPoint presentation tips. All right, so then let me use another sorting technique here. I'll pick on search traffic. And then I'll start getting some of those. So I want a combination of tags that are shorter tags. I want the long tags. And you can see how TubeBuddy is giving me a mixture of all of those. So I like to keep on clicking on some of these. Now, another thing I can do is, as I start to type in a tag name here, so let's say I type in PowerPoint Basics, it'll give me some suggestions right over here. So I'm going to pick on this one, and it just adds that right into my tags. Pick on this one, this one. Okay, so I love this tag tool. These are tags that people have used in other videos that have gotten some good success. So it really saves me a tremendous amount of time on this kind of search. I'm going to close this window now. So you can see I'm pretty close to my limit. So the 455 there. So maybe I'll let see if I can get a couple more in here. So I'll go back and type it in again. I'll type in basic PowerPoint, see if anything comes up with that one. And okay, so I got this one and this one. And now notice how that put me over the 500. So I'll just get rid of this last one. And now a 495 is good enough for me. All right, excellent. So I'm going to go ahead and save my video. So now I have all those tags in there. So the next thing I'd like to do is I'd like to sort them. So I'm going to go ahead and pick on sort here. Another TubeBuddy tool is I can sort my tags. Now I can move them around. So actually, I want to move this one towards the end, and I'll move this one towards the end. Makes it very easy to do that. Now, I'm going to show you another video where I can automatically sort them by their rank. I'm going to pick on apply and close here. To sort those tags manually, you really have to delete them and then re-put them back in again. So I love that sorting tool that comes with TubeBuddy. I'm going to go ahead and save my video again. Now, let me go to another video that I've made recently. So I'm going to go back to my channel content, and I'll pick on the content again. I'm going to go ahead and scroll down to a recent video that I've made. Okay, so if I go into this video, so this one is starting to get some views. I'm going to go ahead and click on the details. And I'm going to scroll down. And I'll take a look at the tags here. Okay, good. So you see those numbers. So that means if somebody types in that exact phrase, my videos will be, this one will rank 17th, this tag. And this one's going to rank number 4. So watch what I'll do. I'll pick on the word sort here. And I'm going to go ahead and pick on, first of all, I have a duplicate in there. So the tag sorter allows me to remove the duplicates very easily. Good. And then that'll make room for more tags. And then I'm going to say auto sort by rank. And now that's exactly what happened. And again, I'm going to move my own personal tags towards the end here. I could just pick them up and move them. But I want those tags that are really ranking to be close to the top there. And I'm going to pick on apply and close. And then I'll pick on save my video again. So 2 of the great tools that I love within TubeBuddy. First of all, it's going to suggest a lot of tags for you. Let me see if I have more room on this video now. So I actually have quite a bit of room there. So let me even optimize this one since I'm here. So this video is about how to import SQL data into Microsoft Excel. So let me see. Once again, I'm going to go over here. So I'll type in import SQL into Excel. Good. So I haven't used that tag yet, right? So that helped me a little bit. And I'm going to keep on going now. So what if I typed in SQL into Excel? See if anything comes up with that one. All right, so that's fine. Then I'll use some of these other tags that it suggests for me. So again, I'm looking for that keyword score. See if, here's it going. I'll just use that tag. And now it automatically added that onto my video. Love these tools. It's going to save you a lot of time. Now, on the description of this video that you're watching right now, you'll see a link where you can try TubeBuddy for free. All right, so click on that link and you'll be able to get it and start to use some of these tools. I hope you like my video. Let me go ahead and save this video. And now I'm going to go ahead and scroll down. Let me take a look at those tags. So it says linking SQL Server to Excel. It says it's going to rank number 4 for me. Let's see if that's the case. So I'm going to open up another video and I'm going to go up to YouTube. And I'm going to type in linking SQL to Excel. And let's see what comes up. If I scroll down, there's my video. Okay, so I wouldn't have found that tag except for TubeBuddy. So I hope that you can see that TubeBuddy is a tremendous tool. And I'll make some more videos about TubeBuddy and the other tools very soon on this channel.